Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm super excited because this is my very first voiceover video. Today I'll be showing you step by step how you can install the latest iOS 18.4 emojis on your Android device with a very simple and easy process. If you've always wanted that iPhone-style emoji experience, but you're using Android, then this video is definitely for you. So make sure you watch carefully till the end, because if you skip any step, the process might not work properly. And before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming tech videos. Alright, let's jump right into it. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily install the latest iOS 18.4 emojis on your Android device. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If it worked, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you face any issues, just drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay tuned.